Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Get Roblox Studio, OBS, and a high-quality TTS tool. Choose a voice and export a clear WAV or MP3 at 44, 1 or 48 kHz. Once done, build a minimal place in Studio with camera positions and a repeatable run for consistent footage. Make an OBS scene that captures the Roblox window, route desktop audio for TTS playback, and assign hotkeys so you can start/stop without disturbing the recording. You now record and synchronize. Play the Roblox run while you play the exported TTS through your system so OBS captures both game and speech. Make sure your mic is muted and OBS records at a fixed frame rate, 60 FPS for smooth motion or 30 FPS to save space. Repeat the run until voice lines match gameplay moments. This avoids heavy editing later. Once captured, save the raw recording and keep the original TTS file with timecodes for precise alignment during editing. You finish by editing, import the raw capture and the original TTS file into your editor, then align waveforms to match lips, actions, and triggers. Once synced, add subtitles and sound leveling so voice sits above effects, then export at the same frame rate used during recording with AAC audio. Upload the final file. If you encounter drift or lip sync issues, make sure OBS used a constant frame rate and realign using the TTS waveform. Re-record the segment if necessary for perfect sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.